Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Bitget exchange account quickly and safely. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Bitget app and go to Assets at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the Assets Overview page where you can check all your balances. Here, you'll see a transfer button. Tap on it to begin moving your funds. You can also find the transfer button inside any specific section, like spot or futures. But the overview page is the easiest. Once the transfer window opens, choose where you want the USDT to come from and where it should go. For example, if your USDT is inside your Bitget wallet funding account and you want it on the exchange to trade, select funding as the from account and choose spot as the to account. Next, pick the cryptocurrency you want to move in this case. Select USDT. Enter the amount you want to transfer. You can transfer a small portion or tap the max option if you want to move everything. Before confirming, double check your details. Make sure the accounts are correct. The right coin is selected and the amount is accurate. When everything looks good, tap confirm. Transfers inside Bitget are instant, so your USDT will immediately appear in the destination account. A couple of things to keep in mind. Make sure the coin you're transferring is supported in both accounts. And if you're moving funds out of a margin account, always check your margin ratio to avoid any accidental liquidation issues. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Bitget exchange account. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more easy crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.